faces. Try it a little bit, Gabe. Remember to grab Maine. Don't pull on his face. That's not the... No, in the trailer. The house is all tore up now, you guys. It's all being remodeled. How far apart are they, Brad?
About 3.5.
3.5.
Yeah, about 3.5 years.
Such a difference in their personality.
Oh yeah.
So amazing to me, you know. They're a lot alike, but very different personalities.
Oh yeah. And there's that sibling thing, you know,
Yeah.
where he emulates her and
Yeah,
a little rivalry.
yeah, sure.
Not too bad though.
No. He's a good big sister.
Indeed.
Okay, we'll go over this now. Very nice, you guys. It's like when you were on trail rides, sometimes there's stuff in the way. Kick a little bit so he knows he's got to go. Give him a big
All right, buddy.
Tell him